Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ExpressVPN. Before I start, I invite you to subscribe to our channel if you enjoy our content. This would mean a lot to us and help us create even more useful content. Alright, now let's talk about ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is a well-established VPN provider with over 3,000 servers in 94 countries. It's a safe, reliable and fast VPN, great speeds, no bandwidth limits, a zero-log policy. That's pretty much everything you're looking for in a VPN. Despite its huge popularity, many people still don't know how to use ExpressVPN, which is why I decided to make this video. I'm going to show you how to use ExpressVPN on Windows, but don't worry, it's the same principle if you're on macOS, iOS or Android. The Windows app is indeed quite similar to the macOS, iOS and Android apps. If you don't already have ExpressVPN, visit vpn-club.com/express to take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free. ExpressVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you. Alright, let's get started. First, I will show you how to connect to a server. To do so, simply click here. You can either choose between these few recommended locations or access all locations by clicking here. There are countries in Asia Pacific, Europe, Americas, as well as the Middle East and Africa. That's 94 countries in total, which is quite a lot compared to other VPN providers. Simply select a location. ExpressVPN will then establish a connection to the fastest server available in this specific location. As you can see here, I'm located in Nice, France. Let's use one of the recommended locations. The US, for example. I double click. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. Done. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the US. Let me refresh this page. And as you can see, my IP address has been replaced with the IP address of the VPN server located in Washington. For some countries, including the US, but also the UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, and France, you can select a specific city. For example, in the US, Washington, Los Angeles, New York, and so on. It's a peer-to-peer friendly VPN. You can download torrents using any of their servers. Just make sure you start ExpressVPN and connect to a server before launching your BitTorrent client. You can run a speed test from here. This is very useful if you want to know which location to use to have the best ping or the fastest download speed, for example. Let's talk about options. You can access them by clicking here. There are general options, including a kill switch, which they call network lock. A kill switch is an option that automatically cuts off your internet connection when your VPN connection stops working. This is to make sure that your personal data is not accidentally compromised and that you keep your confidentiality no matter what. Highly recommended for torrenting. There is also a split tunneling option, which allows you to limit the VPN connection to specific applications. Quite a few different protocols, including OpenVPN of course, but also Lightway, which is a new protocol developed by ExpressVPN, optimized for speed, security, and stability. You can read more on each protocol here. You have the ability to create shortcuts here to launch apps and websites from the ExpressVPN interface. You can download the Chrome and Firefox extensions from here. Finally, advanced options, including an IPv6 leak protection, a DNS leak protection. You can even perform a DNS leak test on their website. So quite a few useful options. I won't go into technical details in this video, but if you are an advanced user, there are plenty of interesting options for you here. As I said before, same principle if you're on macOS, iOS or Android. Alright, that's pretty much everything you need to know about ExpressVPN. For us, ExpressVPN is the best VPN provider. It's a premium VPN, which means it's not free, but it will outperform any free VPN out there and all other premium VPNs. As mentioned before, ExpressVPN is a safe, reliable and fast VPN with more than 3,000 servers in 94 countries. Fast speeds, no bandwidth limit, a zero-log policy, 24/7 customer support, up to 5 simultaneous connections. Their app is available on a lot of devices. If you don't have ExpressVPN, make sure you visit vpn-club.com/express or click on the link located in the description under this video to take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free. ExpressVPN is simply the best VPN your money can buy. I highly recommend that you give it a try. Remember, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you. Alright, that's all for today. Now you know how to use ExpressVPN. As you saw, it's quite easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks and see you next time.